Laminate flooring making popping noises is super annoying, but it usually means something's off with how it's installed or the environment around it. So, first thing you want to check is if the laminate got enough space to expand and contract, because these floors are kind of like people. They need room to breathe. If they're too tight against walls or cabinets, they'll pop when they try to move. Also, make sure the subfloor is clean and level before putting down laminate, because bumps or debris can cause those weird sounds. When you're installing, leave about a 1/4 inch gap around the edges so the floor has room to do its thing without stressing. Humidity plays a huge role too. If your house gets really dry or super humid, the laminate can shrink or swell and make noises. Using a humidifier or dehumidifier can help keep things chill. Another tip: avoid walking on laminate floors with hard-soled shoes that can stress the boards. And if you hear popping after installation, check if the locking system of the laminate planks is properly clicked together, because loose joints are a big culprit. Lastly, sometimes adding a quality underlayment under the laminate can absorb some movement and sound. One of the biggest issues with laminate flooring popping noises is improper expansion gaps. If you don't leave enough room for the floor to move, it will definitely pop and buckle. Fixing that means carefully removing baseboards and ensuring a proper gap. Another common problem is uneven subfloors. If the surface isn't flat, your laminate planks don't sit right and make noise. Using a leveling compound before installation can totally fix this. Lastly, poor locking systems where planks aren't snapped together tightly cause gaps that lead to popping sounds. Double checking and properly joining the pieces during install will stop that from happening. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors that actually know what they're doing with flooring or any other home projects. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without the stress.